The #1 concern for metal fabricators today is the availability of skilled workers. You're probably feeling the pressure to fill the talent pipeline. So how can you motivate and retain skilled employees? As the leading educational association serving the industry, the Fabricators and Manufacturers Association offers training programs that can improve the technical skills of your team and expand their knowledge, get employees up to speed on safety regulations and machine best practices, and equip professionals with industry-recognized certificates. For over 50 years, FMA has trained thousands of metal fabricators through on-site and hands-on technical programs, online courses, and interactive webinars. Our expert instructors cover the gamut of metal processing and fabrication technologies, enabling you to elevate operational quality with highly skilled employees. Visit FMA's website to explore training opportunities that will help empower your employees and position your company for success.